Comparing is your similar, compare to like, same kind of things. Your contrast is your contrast, different, unlike, opposed, not the same. Also, I pass them out. This will help you.
The student more compares than the teacher.
I want to read my book now.
Really? That would be nice. You're gonna talk during your book too?
Possibly.
Okay.
Slug bug! That person right there in that black truck, that was totally my stepmom. What the heck? What is she doing? She's going back to work? What? Because we live that way. And she just came from that way. Hi, what's wrong? Hi. Oh. I'm sorry. There's absolutely no dogs now. There's goats. But all of the dogs went home except for this one. Because he's an employee pet. I'm like chasing this bird. See it? It's like hopping. It's not flying. There it goes. I bet those cars think I'm retarded. Look at this pin. Like what? Ouch. Poked myself. Like this is the weirdest pin that I've ever seen. I want to write on something. Ah, that's so weird. It's like real wood. Weird. Tick jar. Yuck. I helped pull some of these off of that dog in that one video. I didn't pull any of those off. Those are huge. But in that one video where I was like restraining the dog on this table, yeah, I helped pull some of the ticks off and put them in that jar. Gotta clean that cage. That one. That one. Look how much laundry there is. Like, after all the dogs go home, there's always just so much laundry. Oh, no. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. Yeah, that feels weird. Oh, that feels so weird. Hi. Hi. Ah, that's weird. Oh, that's weird. What is it? Aw. Hey. Hi. Your tails go crazy. No, you're biting your buddy's ear.